Assalamu alaikum dear students, hope you all are doing well. This is your English teacher. Our today's topic is Whittey's Kittens. Before narrating the story, let me introduce the characters of the story. There are 4 characters in the story. Mary, the little girl, Mary's mother, Whittey, the cat, Mr. Biggs, the owner of a pet shop. Dear students, the story is about a cat named Whittey. It was a pretty fluffy cat. Fluffy means soft like wool. The cat was looked after by a young girl called Mary. She played with the cat every day as they were very good friends. One morning, Mary went to Whittey's basket and saw 4 kittens inside it. Whittey was kept busy looking after her 4 babies. They were not pretty at first, for they did not have much hair and their eyes were closed. After a week, kittens opened their eyes. They looked like little balls of fluff and played with each other. Mary's mother did not want to keep the kittens at their home. So she told her daughter that Mr. Biggs would come and carry them to his pet shop, and they would get a lot of money for kittens. On hearing this, Mary felt very sad. Next morning, Mr. Biggs came and carried kittens in his basket. Tears ran down the little girl's cheeks. Poor Whittey was even sadder. She followed Mary everywhere about the house. Next day, Whittey could not be found anywhere in the house. Mary searched for her in the house, in the garden, and in the field at the foot of the garden. At about tea time, Whittey returned. The cat was carrying kittens in her mouth. She bought all the kittens one by one from pet shop. Mary felt very happy. She requested her mother for keeping all the babies. Mother told they can keep the kittens only if Mr. Biggs was not angry. Mr. Biggs was not angry at all, as Whittey was a very clever cat. She took all the kittens from his pet shop. After a few months, Whittey's kittens were sent to Mr. Biggs' shop again for sale. Whittey did not seem to worry now, as the kittens have grown up then and could look after themselves. This was about Whittey's kittens. So, dear students, what we learned from the story? We learned that mother is the most kind person in the world, whether it's the mother of an animal or a human being. So, my dear students, respect and love your mother. This was all about the topic. I shall meet you again in another video. Till then, enjoy learning. Allah Hafiz.